my scrappy life, and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for Confessions of the Paper Addict Cut File Shop and Paw Your Way Into Our Hearts. Now, everybody for Paw Your Way Into Your Hearts have already published theirs back in Thursday. So today is going to be a collaboration because I was trying to get this up on Thursday and it just didn't work. So I am using the paw print cut file. I am going to do some fun stuff with it. I have photo play and I've got Echo Park. So let's see what I can do. All right, the one thing that I forgot to mention in my intro to this is I am also following along with my monthly crop that was going on this weekend, and that is my sketch up in the corner. If you click into the description, you can be able to go to my group and then be able to see all of the challenges that the ladies and some that I did throughout the weekend and be able to get some inspiration. We dive pretty far into quite a bit of different things and it works out really wonderful. I love doing monthly crops. I do them free. They are in my group and I do them every month except for the summer. I do put June and July together so that I can at least have 1 month off. But I always make sure that every month has a sketch, and we're coming up to almost my 1 year anniversary. It's crazy. But double check that. So I am following along. The only difference is that I really change it up just a little bit, and you'll see how I do my background, I do my pieces, and all of that fun stuff in the middle. There is my cut file. It is Paw Print Stack is the cut file name, and I absolutely love it. I will link everything down below from Virginia. Make sure that you go like and subscribe to her channel, and then also make sure that you go in and check out all of her cut files. All the links will be down below, especially to find this cut file too. I also, just as a little bit of disclosure, some of my videos will still have the wrapping on my arm. It is a freshly new tattoo, so once it comes off, it won't be such a glare on there, but you have to leave the film on for 4 days, and this is day number 2. So I got 2 more days of this. So just to let you know. So I'm sorry if that's like a bother. I am now circling around with my pen just to get those, I guess, the paw prints darker just a little bit so that you can kind of see that they're prints. I am a pattern paper on pattern paper. I just love it. So all 3 of these are pattern papers and I love how it turns out. And the photos, these are photos that I sent over to my husband while he was stationed in Kuwait. Golly, that's been almost 2 years ago now, 3 years ago, going on 3 years. So that is what these photos are. This is when I'm getting ready for bed. I'm in bed with Asher Basher, and then this is when I did one of the baths. I didn't do it all that often. I always waited until his appointment was, and then that's when he got his bath. But he ended up getting into something at this particular day, and Kaylin's like, ooh, I'll help get it done. I'm like, all right, let's go get it done. And then I sent the photo over because I wanted to prove the fact that I do give this boy a bath, even though it was only one time probably throughout that year. I did cut this sticker up. I really loved how I added 2 different titles because there's a big title and a small title on this layout or this sketch that I am following along on. I do change it just a little bit. Obviously, I have 3 photos. And then my title's in a little different of a spot. But I really love how this turns out. Ooh, excuse me. Sorry for the yawn. I am putting some of this up on some foam tape just because of the amount of layering I have on there. And then I do come in now. I am putting different colors down on this paw print, and then I do one other paw print as well just to add. And the sequence mix that I'm using is called In the Navy. And it's got greens, blues, silvers, and clears. And it works out wonderful for this layout because there's green in there, there's blues in there. Clear goes with anything. And silver goes with anything. So it works out wonderful. Now, I know that maybe on camera you can't quite see it, but in the still shots you'll see the colors really pop off this page. Two of the paw prints, like two of the feet, are green, like are different colors, and then the other one is clear, and then the big part of it, like the heel of a paw print, that is blue. So I do some of this on camera, and then I turn it off so that you don't have to painstakingly watch me put these sequence mix on there. And if you are wanting to purchase anything from Spiegelmom Scraps, if you use my code Miranda15, you can get 15% off of any of her sequence mix. So there are the two paw prints that I put the sequence mix on. Now I'm coming in with the circles. I am coming in with doing different little stickers and whatnot from both of the collections. Part of this, like I said, is Photo Play, and then the other part of it is Echo Park. The colors matched really well. That's why I have these two collections together, so that when I do photos of Asher, I have a lot to look at and use right now at the moment. And then I come in with my black. It is a pop of color from scrapbook.com, and I love just adding the black in there. And then I decided I am going to go back in there with some sequins and add the sequence mixes as well. And then that is it. Make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you. I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week. I am like 10 away from 3,400, and I'm super close, or I'm getting close to being halfway to 4,000 subscribers, and I would love to have you as part of my family. Make sure that you like and subscribe. Go check out Confessions of the Paper Addict Cut File Shop. That is linked down below, along with my group, if you want to go over and get some new ideas and challenges that you could do along the way. And then also, Spiegelmom Scraps will be linked down below. If you use my code Miranda15, you'll get 15% off your order. And then I'm just coming in with some gold splatters, and that's it. I hope that you guys are having a wonderful day. Stay safe, and I'll talk to you later.